Alright, my correct people, and welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. Listen, I would like give on ogbonge and legitimate news on the things wey dey happen for inside we country Nigeria. So sharply make I give you the headline of the koko wey I bring come for you. Atiku Abubakar don dey yarn say im go support Peter Obi for inside the year 2027. That na if PDP then decide am. And concerning Godwin Emefiele matter, one witness on the tell court how im take pay $600,000 bribe to the former CBN staff just for contract. No be small koko, my correct people. I know say I no go like one miss out on this information, so sharply make I give una the full details of wetin dey sup concerning Atiku and Peter Obi. No say the 2023 presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party wey be Atiku Abubakar, he don dey yarn say if for inside the year 2027 and the People's Democratic Party come decide say oya e don reach for the south and the southeast people dem to become president for inside the country Nigeria, and they come select Peter Obi as their candidate. He say him now wey be Atiku Abubakar say he ready 100% to offer in support to Mr. Peter Obi. He say he don talk am before. He even talk himself before the 2023 general elections. Say if to say the PDP now they can't decide to zone the presidential ticket to the south or the southeast specifically, say if for no contest, say as long as say na the decision of the party, say im go abide by am, im go plaster, no get anything wey im wan do. And the reason why im contest for that 2023 presidential ticket na because the party come make the thing available to all their members. So if the party now come decide say okay time don reach make we give this thing to the southeast, and they come choose Peter Obi, 2 seconds im say im go support Mr. Peter Obi of the Labour Party. Oga Atiku now dey yarn this one for inside one interview with Tori people. Nigerian constantly yarn say merger between PDP and Labour Party is very much possible. That is to say PDP and Labour Party they fit collide, they fit mingle. But the koko no finish there, my correct person. Oga Atiku Abubakar in constantly share with the general public who say members of the People's Democratic Party say they go decide their fate for inside the 2027 general elections. Now when they come ask Oga Atiku Abubakar say how far na bros you been get meeting with Peter Obi on a closed door, you understand, you no wan make people know about the level, so abeg no vex wetin una talk for inside the meeting. The man come drop in reply, he come say say na just normal friendly meeting na, say they dey meet like that before. Say normally among themselves, among opposition parties dem, say they dey do that kind of meeting, and those kind of meetings e dey healthy for Nigeria's democracy and for the country's interest. Then they come ask Oga Atiku Abubakar say how far na this una meeting now wey una no wan tell anybody about, na about merger, as in na about the coalition abi the mingling of Peter Obi Labour Party and una PDP. He come say yes, so say e dey very much possible, say they go fit merge, they go fit mingle to achieve a common goal, so e dey very much possible and nothing go fit stop them if they say yes, this na wetin they wish to achieve. Then they come still ask the former vice president wey be Atiku Abubakar say bros wait what if now that 2027 general elections now they come still bring you come to represent the PDP and Labour Party now come still bring Peter Obi to contest, how far e no go cause any gbasgbos, you understand? He come say no, say nothing like that say challenge like that no go arise at all, and the choice of people wey go fly the flag say e no go be issue, say make everybody now just do the camps, say that kind of thing e no go be challenge. And we come still sama Atiku Abubakar another question, say bros you don dey contest for president for how many years now and you never succeed, wetin dey really dey sup? You no go like calm down? Why you dey still dey active for politics? He say you no go fit just keep quiet and watch things dey go wrong for inside the country now, say people dey suffer and them now dem dey committed to making our country Nigeria a better place. So Tori people come ask am say you never tire for politics, you still dey active? He say yes, so he still dey active he never tire he never tire for the politics for inside the country Nigeria. At least as long as God permit am to contest, he go contest. But in age now no mean say young people now no go contest their fate to check whether they go fit win. Say everybody now get the right irrespective of the age, they dey allowed to aspire to be anybody for inside society, both politically or otherwise in any kind of levels, you understand? No be small koko, my correct people. Shey sound say Atiku Abubakar the man he no ready to back down at all. So make we just dey see how 2027 go be like, since he don dey assure country people say challenge no go dey if last him come outside as the president wey go represent the PDP and Peter Obi come still come outside, and now he don dey vow say he go support Peter Obi when that time reach. So make we true wait how e go be like. But you see this man wey be Atiku Abubakar, he still let the country people know say im decision now na based on the party's decision. Say anything wey the party dem decide na wetin him go like follow. Anyhow the koko be for body my correct person, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Moving on to the next informate wey I bring come for you. Know say one contractor now with the Central Bank of Nigeria, im name na Victor Onyejuwa, na on Friday he come dey tell the Lagos State Special Offences Court wey dey for inside Ikeja say he no get any business, he no get any dealings with the former CBN governor wey be Godwin Emefiele. He say the $600,000 now wey dem ask am to pay to the management of the Central Bank of Nigeria before they go come pay am for the contract wey he do for the Apex Bank. He say he pay the money to the former CBN Director of Information Technology wey be John Ayo. Oga Victor now wey be the Managing Director of Resource Company Limited, he come dey testify on top Emefiele ongoing trial o. He say all the communications now wey he do with John Ayo na through WhatsApp, na he do all of them. He say the first payment wey he do to Oga John na $400,000 and na for inside Lagos, while the second payment na $200,000 and that one he come pay am when he dey for Abuja. Oga Victor Onyejuwa come still dey yarn say he no get any letter of authorization from the Central Bank of Nigeria management say he suppose to pay bribe for the contract wey dem award am o. No, he no get any letter to talk like that. Now this witness na the lawyer of Godwin Emefiele wey be Olalekan Ojo, na he come make am, as in na he come dey cross-examine the witness before he come dey tell the court say na John Ayo na he sign the award of the contract and the completion, no be Godwin Emefiele. He say the first contract now wey dem award to im company na 1.3 billion naira, while the second one na $2.1 million. No be small koko man correct people. After John Ayo comot from the Central Bank of Nigeria, he still dey do other contract, he still dey do other business with the bank till 2019 and dem pay am in due time and they no ask for any bribe from am. He say all the contracts now wey he do after John Ayo don comot for the Central Bank of Nigeria, he do am while Godwin Emefiele na still the governor of the Apex Bank. Say he no get any dealings with the Godwin Emefiele o. Say all the business wey he do na through John Ayo and he no get any time at all wey Godwin Emefiele ask for bribe from am. And in the answer like this when the lawyer of Godwin Emefiele come ask am say whether he show the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission any letter when Godwin Emefiele dey demand for bribe, na he come answer say nothing like that o. Then when they come ask am say this money now who you come deliver am to, he say he deliver am to John Ayo for inside him office, and after the payment say na the official of the IT department na he come sign am. No be small matter of my correct people. You know say Godwin Emefiele and him co-defendant wey be Henry Omoele, they dey face trial like this o on 26 count charges and e dey on abuse of office and alleged $4.5 billion and 2.8 billion naira fraud. Now the former CBN governor now and Omoele, they don plead not guilty to all these charges o. So my correct people, this na the koko wey I bring come for you. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. You know say this na Anointed Lady TV wey dey like give you only ogbonge and legitimate news on the things and things wey dey happen for inside we country Nigeria. So if you never subscribe to this channel, make you try go subscribe and make you turn on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news dey come, na you go first get the update and you go get am sharp sharp. And make you try to share the news to your family and friends so that them too they go know wetin dey happen for inside we country Nigeria. I dey bring another update for you my correct people. No go anywhere.